Good morning, children. In the last class, we completed electromagnetism. It is totally deleted from the portion. Even though just to get the idea what are the topics to be discussed in the electromagnetism, for the electric motor, AC generator, DC generator, state carrying wide, magnetic flux, there is a relation between electricity and magnetism. All these topics we discussed. The screen, you are able to see the 11th lesson, Principles of Metallurgy. Long back I taught you, we finished this lesson. But why I am revising this lesson? Revising means daily few answers I will make you to read at home. Those who are coming to school, just in the class, I am making them to read the answers. Those who are sitting at home, please watch the videos and learn these answers. This lesson is important for FA3, Principles of Metallurgy. Starts from March 1st. FA3 starts from March 1st. Portion is Principles of Metallurgy. So in this metallurgy, we are going to discuss what is a mineral, ore, metal, and what are the process extracted used in extraction of metals. That is a extraction, concentration and dressing, extraction, purification. There we'll find some metals which are mostly highly reactive and some moderate reactive elements and the low reactive elements. For the moderate, high and low, separate techniques are used. And what is the smelting, what is the roasting, how the blast furnace, corrosion, how will prevent the corrosion. All these topics we discussed in Principles of Metallurgy. Today just I am repeating you to read this lesson, go through the lesson and complete the revision also. And children, today in the class we read first three answers of what we have learnt. Improve your learning. How many question answers? First three question answers. What is the first question? List the three metals. Let me show the first question on the screen which you are see, this is a reflection of a concept. List three metals that are found in nature as a oxide ores. From where you will get long back I send the question answers in the form of PDF. I posted in your WhatsApp group. Check that answers and read. What are the three metals that are found in nature as oxide ores? Aluminium, manganese, magnesium, iron and calcium. All these are present in nature in the form of a oxide ores. So what is asking? List three metals that are found in nature as a oxide ores. What are the three metals? Aluminium, iron, magnesium, manganese, calcium are the metals that are found in nature in a free state. Next, list three metals that are found in nature in uncombined form. List three metals that are found in nature in uncombined form. If you see the elements, most of the elements are combined with other elements, reacts with other elements to form the corresponding products. But in nature, only few elements they are uncombined state, like a gold, silver, platinum, mercury. These are the four metals. Always they will found in a nature in an uncombined state. What are the metals which are found in uncombined state? Gold, silver, platinum and mercury are the metals found in nature in uncombined form. Okay. Next, write a note on a dressing of the ore in metallurgy. First process is dressing or concentration. Second is extraction. Third is a purification. These three processes involved in Principles of Metallurgy. So what is a dressing? Dressing is a first treatment. It is a first treatment done to the ore to remove as much as possible unwanted impurities. Unwanted impurities like sand and clay can be removed by this process. They are known as a dressing or a concentration. So let me show that where is a dressing and where is concentration. It is there in the page number 240. Page number 240, all of you open your textbook and check what is a dressing and concentration. See, this is a dressing and concentration. Second paragraph. Dressing or concentration means simply get rid of as much as unwanted rocky materials as possible from the ore. The impurities like sand and clay are called ganj. Here we should get as possible as pure or more concentrated ore. So removing unwanted impurities like sand and clay, this method is known as dressing or a concentration. So in dressing and concentration, to get the enrich of the ore, and enriching of the ore is depends upon a 4 physical methods, that is hand picking, washing, flotation and magnetic separation. What is a hand picking? The ore's particles and the impurities are different. One of its properties like color, size. Using the property of the ore particle are picked, separated them, then the other impurities. The ore particles and the impurities are different in one of the properties like color and size. Using that property, the ore particles are hand-picked, separated them from their impurities. This method is known as hand picking. Okay. So dressing or concentration is nothing but removing unwanted impurities like clay and mud by physical methods is known as dressing or concentration. Dressing and concentration can be done in 4 ways. There is a hand picking, washing, flotation and magnetic separation. When the hand picking is possible, if the ore or impurities, if they are differ in their size and color, at that time we can separate them with our hand. Such method is known as hand picking. Next is washing. Ore particles are crushed and kept in a slopy surface. If they are washed with a water, controlled flow of water, less dense particles are carried away by water flow, and more dense particles will settle down. So when we will use a washing method, when we will have use a washing method, if there is a differ in their density, at that time we will prefer to use a washing method. Next one is fourth flotation. This method is mainly meant for sulfide ores which are in a dry, does not contain any wetting property. For that ore, you need to finely powder and mixed with water. The complete content is taken in a flotation cell where air under high pressure is blown into that. A fourth forms which collects all the ore particles and impurities settles down. In this way, separating the fourth and washing with the water, we can separate the ore and impurities. This method is known as fourth flotation, and this method mainly meant for sulfide ores. This method mainly meant, not all the ores are separated by fourth flotation, only sulfide ores are separated by fourth flotation. Okay. Next, magnetic separation. If the ore or impurity, one of them in magnetic substance and other are non-magnetic substance, they are separated using electromagnets. But what is the condition in this, Amma? Ore or the impurity, one of them should be magnetic substance. Then only a magnetic separation technique is used. What are these 4? These are the 4 physical methods where we can concentrate or a dressing can be done. In these 4 different methods. What is hand picking, washing, fourth flotation, magnetic separation. Okay, that is your third answer. Next. What is an ore? On what basis a mineral is chosen as an ore? From the points you will get it. Second, a mineral from which a metal can be extracted economically and conveniently are called ore. A mineral from where a metal can be extracted economically, such mineral is said to be a ore, and the impurity present in the ore is called gangue. The substance added to remove the impurity to the ore is called flux. Is called as a flux. Okay, and metallic compound occurring in the earth crust along with some impurities is called mineral, and mineral from which a metal can be extracted possibly is called ore, and impurities present in the ore are called as a gangue. A substance which is added to ore to remove the gangue is called flux. So this is also important. And another topics you have to learn, roasting is a process of heating the ore strongly in presence of air or oxygen. If a ore is roasted, heated in presence of oxygen or air, such method is called as a roasting. And calcination and roasting are carried in reverberatory furnace. What is meant by calcination? Is a process of heating the ore in absence of air or oxygen. In absence of air and oxygen, if ore is heated, then it is said to be a calcination. And roasting is a process of heating a ore in free supply of air and oxygen. And both calcination and roasting can be done using in a special furnace called reverberatory furnace. What is a flux? A substance added to the ore to remove the impurities is called a flux. What is a ore? A mineral which ore can be extracted, metal can be extracted profitably are called a ore. And metallic compound occurring in an earth crust along with impurities is called a mineral. So dressing, concentration, three metals which exist in oxide state and three metals which are exist in unwanted combined state. Dressing and concentration can be done in 4 physical methods, that is a hand picking, washing, fourth flotation, magnetic subtraction. So these answers you have to learn for today's revision, children, and afterwards corrosion activity plus prevention methods also you read. Corrosion activity, prevention methods. So what is your FA3 portion? Principles of metallurgy. And activity 2, lab activity, which already we did that is deleted from the portion. So just 2 days back I gave another activity from the principles of metallurgy, only page number 247. Corrosion activity you have to write. Corrosion activity you have to write and submit. Okay. So before with FA3 or else before that you can submit so that I can correct and hand over the book to you. Okay, children. So what we have discussed today, principles of metallurgy, 11th lesson, important for your FA3. Learn first 4 answers, and what we have learnt also, from that you will get the ore definition, what is a flux definition, and what are the roasting and the calcination also we can discuss. So that's all for today, children. Try to complete your projects and activities, submit in the school. Thank you, ma'am.